Welcome to tutorial 5. In this tutorial we're going to be using our tutorial 4 setup and we're going to add some operators to it. Now to do this we need to go to File and go down to Save as a Copy, and when you click that it'll say Copying Project and it'll say Project Saved as a Copy, and what you can do now is go Project 5, delete the copy and the variables and call it, there we go. And you'll see now when you go into your folder view, you'll have task 5 and your task 4 will still be there. Okay, so continuing on with task 5 and see inside, we're going to use some operators now to make it so that when we hit 0, maybe the game ends. And to do that, let's just go back to the start to where we have 9 lives. Let's go to the cat. And let's grab an operator. Now we want this one here that says equal to, and then we want a control with if. We put that one in there. We want a forever, and we want a flag. Now you can just put this in here as well, or this in here as well, but just to keep it separate and modular, I'm going to keep it out. It'll still work in there, but it just looks neater like this. Then we're going to say if we need our variable cat lives equals 0. So if it equals 0, we're going to go here. We're going to say game over. Oops. Game over. And then we're going to go control, and there's one down here that says stop all. Now if I hit play and just let the apple hit me a bunch of times, let's see what happens now. It didn't say game over, and the reason is it stopped all. It did say game over, but so quickly that we couldn't really see it, and then it stopped all. So what we need to do is add in a wait. Let's see if that works now. It's only going to save for 1 second. Let's see, game over, and it's done. Now we probably can make that a little nicer, but just for now you can see the game has stopped. When you hit play again, it all starts again. You can move around and then game over, but I can still move. So I might actually not have it do that. I'll take that out. I will keep the stop all in there. We'll make a better one later on. Another thing that we're going to do just to make it a little bit more challenging is we're going to make it every time it touches you, it's going to start moving at you a little faster. So to do that, we go to variables and we're going to go make a new variable and we'll call it apple speed. And what we'll do is we'll get an operator, put it in, actually we don't need an operator, we'll use one of these. We'll say set apple speed to, and we'll make apple speed equal to cat lives. So now it's going to start off really hard, but then it will get easier as we get on, and we'll grab forever and then we'll get one of these. So the longer you can survive, the faster it is, and then obviously towards the end of the game it's going to get a little bit easier. There you go, and it ends. So that's really how we use operators. Now they're quite powerful for later on when you want to do things like set walls, because you can say when the character is less than, say, the wall over here, something happens when you're main sprite. But for now, that's sort of the basics of operators. There'll be a video later where I do some more advanced things, but as long as you know how they work, that shouldn't be too difficult. Make sure you save your work, and I'll see you in the next video.